Stop working hard. Start working smart. In 2026, the gap between the rich and the struggling is defined by one thing: AI power. While others are losing their jobs, a new class of digital entrepreneurs is building empires using ChatGPT. Today, we're handing you the ultimate blueprint to join them. Your AI advantage starts right now. As 2026 approaches, there are promising opportunities, especially for those who want to use advanced AI technologies like ChatGPT to advance their finances. The freelance economy continues to flourish, and the demand for skilled professionals proficient in using AI tools has never been higher. If you're looking to boost your income with a flexible and lucrative side hustle, this video will guide you through the most effective ways to use ChatGPT as your ideal partner for increasing productivity. ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities offer a distinct competitive advantage across a wide range of professional fields. Whether applied to content creation, customer service, coding assistance, or market research, its versatility makes it an exceptionally valuable asset. By automating repetitive tasks, generating creative ideas, and drafting complex documents, ChatGPT empowers professionals to work more efficiently, significantly amplifying both productivity and earning potential. AI-powered content creation and copywriting. One of the most immediate and impactful applications of ChatGPT lies in content creation. Businesses of all sizes have an ongoing need for fresh, engaging content across websites, blogs, social media platforms, and marketing campaigns. With ChatGPT as a creative collaborator, you can generate blog posts and articles, rapidly produce well-researched, SEO-optimized articles across a broad spectrum of topics. By providing a brief outline or key bullet points, ChatGPT can expand your ideas into polished, publication-ready content. Write compelling copy, develop persuasive sales copy, attention-grabbing ad headlines, email newsletters, and high-converting product descriptions. ChatGPT helps you brainstorm strategic angles, refine your language, and ensure your messaging resonates effectively with your target audience. Create social media content. Produce engaging captions, posts, and short-form content for multiple platforms, each carefully tailored to reflect distinct brand voices and strategic objectives. The AI revolution is just beginning, and you don't want to be left behind. We have prepared a special 30-day AI Hustle series in our shorts, breaking down these secrets step by step. Don't miss a single one. Hit the subscribe button now and join the Earn Money Hub community. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.